long? How long will it take? How long? How long? How long? How long will it take? How long? How long? How long? How long will it take? Do you think? How long will it take? Hello everyone, and welcome to the 11th episode of How Long Will It Take? This is episode number 11. We have 2 more until we crown the Stukely champions of How Long Will It Take prediction. I wonder who it will be. Let's just remind ourselves about last week. What happened after the Hunt family blew up the inflatable birthday cake? Well, I can tell you the scores last week were like this. We had Foundation just behind Year 3. So Year 3 were top with 55, Foundation on 54, then you had Year 1, and then we went down to Year 4 and Year 6, fighting it out for last place. I told everybody that this week is double points week. Yes, you heard it correctly. Today, the teams and you are going to predict how long something will take, and it's double points. So it's not 8 points for the winner, it's 16 points. It's not 1 point for the last place team, it's 2. Not that that makes much difference, but it's exciting because double points mean anything can happen. Okay, let's talk about today's challenge. I'm going to give Mr. Jones a yoghurt to eat. Now, I haven't got one here, but I'm going to give him a yoghurt that we have at school. So the little pots, probably, well, I don't know. Anyway, a little pot of yoghurt with a large spoon. I'm going to give that to Mr. Jones. He is going to eat it at his normal pace. He's not going to eat it quickly. He's not going to eat it slowly. He's going to eat it like he would normally eat a yoghurt. Now, he's eaten a lot of yoghurts in his time, so he knows a good pace to eat a yoghurt. How long do you think it's going to take Mr. Jones to take the lid off and eat a yoghurt at a sensible pace and finish the lot? How long do you think? Yeah, okay. Remember, double points this week. It's a big week for Stukely Meadows. I'll tell you what. While you're thinking, let's see what all of our teams think. I wonder what they're going to come up with. Let's find out. Hello, Miss Salah.
Hello.
How long for Mr. Jones and this delicious pudding?
I reckon 35 seconds.
Hello, Mr. Watley.
Hello, Mr.
I know you've been desperate for the opportunity to take part. Mr. Watley, Mr. Jones, how long at a standard yoghurt eating pace? How long will it take for him to consume this delicious dessert?
And he's using that spoon.
He's using this spoon,
and it will be
this pot, and his name is Mr. Jones. What do you reckon?
About 40 seconds.
Oh. Hello, Mrs. Page.
Hello.
Okay, I want you to think really carefully here, Mrs. Page, because you have been a liability in the past. How long at standard yoghurt eating pace for Mr. Jones to consume this tasty treat?
That one. It's not a normal big sight. I'm going to go 40 seconds.
Hello, Mrs. Field. Double points week. The pressure's on. How long for Mr. Jones and the thick and creamy yoghurt at standard pace?
24 seconds.
Hello, Mrs. Pedley. I know this is your debut on How Long Will It Take? Double points week, Mrs. Pedley. How long do you think it'll take Mr. Jones to consume this yoghurt at standard pace? He doesn't have to rush, just has to enjoy it.
I think it will take Mr. Jones 58 seconds.
Okay. Hello, Mrs. Clark.
Hello there.
Double points week. What are we talking about at standard yoghurt eating pace for Mr. Jones and this delicious dessert?
11 seconds.
Mrs. Steinberg.
Hello.
I know the pressure's on in this double points week. Mrs. Steinberg, how long for Mr. Jones and the yoghurt? What do you think?
6 seconds.
Hello again, Mrs. Wing. Mrs. Wing, double points week, as you know. How long for Mr. Jones at standard yoghurt eating pace to consume this thick and creamy Vitality smooth strawberry yoghurt?
I reckon about 28 seconds.
Ooh. Wow, this is incredible. Mrs. Steinberg, who had a lot of pressure on her with year 6 at the bottom, she threw out a 6-second prediction for Mr. Jones to eat a whole yoghurt. Now I know it's a small yoghurt and a big spoon, but whoa. Then we've got year 4, Mrs. Pedley, who's been brought in by year 4 to try and get them up the league table. Mrs. Pedley went for a 58-second yoghurt eating spree. Well, what's more to do, everyone, than to give Mr. Jones a yoghurt and see what happens. Here we go. Here we are with Mr. Jones. He is not a yoghurt eating champion. He's just a normal person who loves a yoghurt and is going to eat it at normal pace. Aren't you, Mr. Jones?
Yes.
Right, when I say go, Mr. Jones, enjoy the yoghurt, and I'm going to time you because that is what we do. On your marks, get set, go. Top work, man. Was it delicious?
Yes.
Good. Wow. I never cease to be amazed by the results every week in How Long Will It Take? 38 seconds. Just over 38 seconds it took Mr. Jones to wolf down that yoghurt. And we know what that means. That means the big 16 points for year 1 and year 2, who both went for 40 seconds. That is incredible. Very, very close. It then means there's no 14 pointer because we've got 2 firsts. It means we then go 12 points for foundation stage, 10 points for year 3, 8 points for the SOS team, 6 points for year 4, 4 points for year 5, and I'm sorry, only 2 points for year 6. Let's see what that does to the scores. Whoa. Whoa. 2 weeks left and look at the top 3. We've got year 1 on 67, foundation on 66 and year 3 on 65. Let's not forget, not that far behind, we've got SOS team and year 2 in the 50s, and then in the 40s we've got 5 and 4. Year 6, I think there's still something in it. I think you can still save this. I'm not sure how, but I think you can. Come on, think positive. Anyway, that was another How Long Will It Take? We've only got 2 left before we crown the champions. It just feels great. See you next time. Oh, you'll notice that I haven't chosen anybody new to do this this week because I forgot. Yeah, I forgot when I was in school. So I'm going to do it now. How long? And I'm going to put that into the end. Yes, I am. Check this out.
How long?
How long?
How long? How long will it take? How long? How long?